Hey everyone, thanks for joining us for another Airbrush Asylum pre-live video. We are here with the students who are working through their Tiger workshop. So we're doing a black and white Tiger workshop for the next couple of days, and I just thought I would film and show some progress. So let's spin the camera around and I'll show you what they're up to. So you can see they've got their reference there and they're busy working away. Joe's had some splattering going on. You're adding a bit of texture, aren't you, Joe? She's using her Micron CMC, and she started off with a light transparent black first to map in all of her detail, and then gradually going darker. And we've got Leanne working away with a side feed airbrush, but doing exactly the same sort of thing. So they're all working on the same image, and they've mixed up that transparent base mixed with black to start with, and then gradually going darker. And Scott over here doing a really good job. He's progressed a bit more than the others so far, so he's been working hard. It's looking good. Also using a side feed. And Dominic, doing a nice job, mate. So you can see they've worked in their background. The background's a bit more soft and subtle, not as detailed, so that way we can make the tiger really pop and stand out. So they're also working on a canvas board, which essentially is just, you can see here the texture just like canvas. This is about 18 by 18 inches, which is I think 45 centimeters roughly squared. Great thing to work on, and using Trident water-based paints. And Dominic's using a, what are you using, a HP CP? Oh, water airbrush, there you go. So he's doing a good job, and so far I'm a bit behind. This is what I'm up to so far. So you can see I started with that lighter tone and now gradually darkening it. You can see my two tones here, so that's what it looks like, the first tone, and slightly darker, and then we'll move on to white next, and then come back in with black. My completed tiger is here, and we got the reference there, so you can see where we're at. Now that reference is by our photographer Joseph Darminia. So he took a great photo, and we've just turned it into a painting. So there you have it. So look at them all busy working. No one's even saying a word. And it's not because they're camera shy. They're concentrating. Isn't that right? Yep, see? Yep. All right, there you have it. So there you have it. We'll come back tomorrow around about the same time, and we'll show you how they're going. Hopefully they'll be close to finishing tomorrow. They've made some good progress today, so tomorrow we should be kick-starting with the white and detailing more of the fur. Until next time, if you haven't already, hit subscribe, tap on the bell icon. That'll notify you every time we put out new content, and we hope that this has in some way inspired you to go grab your airbrush and get into some painting. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.